behind a car that we believe contained a male wanted for a conspiracy to commit murder.
Air police have been dispatched to track a silver hatchback. Inside is a murder plot suspect.
Just an M-Pass, we are 300-yard marker from junction 16. He's next to a red container.
The air team are partnered with police following covertly 50 yards behind on the ground.
Can I just confirm it is gun lane 4 now?
With the helicopter 1,500 feet in the air, the suspect has no idea he's being watched from above.
300 yards from junction 15.
We can sit a little bit further back, so just to create the illusion that we're perhaps not there or we're not involved in that particular incident.
It's critical this driver is brought in for questioning. The air and ground teams work out a plan to catch the suspect.
We've got brake action and he's standby, he's off the farmway.
The air crew spot the suspect leaving the motorway.
Just keep it coming.
Ahead, officers on foot hide behind a broken-down lorry and prepare a stinger, a bed of 3-inch nails designed to shred the suspect's tyres.
Are you going to sting it at the top of the slip road then?
Yes, yes. M-Pass, what's its position now?
There's a black Dacia he's behind, sort of navy Dacia. One behind the white train.
There was a backlog of traffic, and that enabled, at that point, us to leave the commentary with the helicopter, and they was able to talk to the officer with the stinger.
2-1, keep the air clear. We're still 3 from pole, 2 from pole. He is now directly behind the BM.
The trap is set.
Come.
The officer with the stinger can't see the target.
Next to the junction.
But the air police act as her eyes as she prepares to strike.
We need to tell them exactly what's going on. We need to be able to strike at the right time.
Finger out.
Bolt with loads of vehicles.
Vehicle is over the stinger.
The driver's tyres are punctured.
Vehicle stop. We're now, it's a pursuit situation. We're now
But he isn't giving up easily.
We are currently normal road speed.
The suspect's tyres are now on their rims. Police on the ground and in the air are ready for his next move.
He's going to go inside and jump.
2 on his decap.
And at that point, when you're so close to catching them, in the blink of an eye, he could disappear and you could lose him.
I'm looking at where they are likely to going to run to. We need to try and sort of put ourselves into their minds.
2 on, give me the air, please. We're currently running towards Cemetery Road. Dark clothing, black baseball cap, carrying what looks to be a grey man bag on his phone.
The ground police lose sight of the suspect.
On the Airwell side, they're coming towards me.
But the helicopter is still locked on.
You're going completely the wrong direction. If I give you a postcode of Bravo Lima 4, 7 Sierra Echo, walking away from the treble 6.
They switch between standard and infrared camera modes to track the man in and out of trees.
2 on, he is currently running parallel with the Airwell.
The aircrew guide ground forces to cut him off, and he runs straight into the trap.
What is changed? Confirm. No, baseball cap, handbag.
The conspiracy to commit murder charge was dropped, but the suspect was given a suspended sentence for unrelated crimes.
Tango Charlie 26, I've got the Porsche Cayenne, Dudley, Flood Street, Ireland, stand by. Tango Charlie 26, southbound, Duncan Edwards Way, towards Cinderbank, it's making off, 110 in a 40, low risk, light traffic, there is a Panda, a traffic car at the island. Okay, good sting, 90 in a 30, approaching a red ATS. It will be high risk through the red ATS at 60, nothing inconvenienced, no other traffic. It's a continuation on the dual carriageway towards Lye. Red ATS, YM, red ATS. High risk through at 4.5 in a 30 limit. Another red ATS, he's braking heavy for this one, and he's turning right, and he's wrong side of the dual carriageway at the moment. There is nothing oncoming for about 400 metres. I believe he's going to turn right here.
77067 on please.
Okay, he's left on the Amblecote Road. I've got another vehicle with me. Just watch it, I reverse into you. Get on the ground now! Show me your hands there! Stop struggling! Stop struggling! Stop struggling! Ah! Get off!